So, as a facilitator for an Agile retrospective, what else do you need to bring to it, other than a beginning and an end? Well, that all depends, because it's retrospectives, retrospectives and retrospectives. You need to focus on what you hope to achieve within the retrospective, what the aim and goal is of it, and match that to the amount of time you have to accomplish these goals. And that will help suggest the appropriate amount of structure. Now, of course, you're not going to get it right first time. Nobody does. In fact, you might not get it right any time. It's a case of continuous improvement. If you're getting better and it's helping the team and the team's getting better at retrospectives, that's the main thing. That's what matters. So, what happens quite a lot though, if it's a longer enough retrospective, you need some activities because they help people. These activities are useful in themselves, but they're mainly there not as pure ceremony, but as ways to help team engage to accomplish the goal of the retrospectives. So you need to be goal focused. You need to focus on not just doing the activity for its own sake, but considering how the activity builds into the greater goal of the group. And you need to be flexible as a facilitator. If a particular activity just isn't working for the team, scrap the activity, move on, change something. That's one of the crucial skills actually. So, the amount of structure you need to have a plan and you need to consider the appropriate amount of structure, but do it in an agile way. If it's not working, change it during the meeting, during the retrospective, change the amount of structure, introduce either more structural elements or remove some. If activities don't work, cut them short, remove them, change things. Yeah, this puts a higher onus on the facilitator to understand more activities. You need to have a much richer palette of techniques and tools which you might be able to apply. This is good. And it's something which in Agile development you find a lot. You have a much wider palette of tools and techniques and you select a few appropriate ones to use on the occasion.